Hello everyone, in today's video I am going to walk you through how to change your Busha app icon. Now here's the thing, unfortunately you generally cannot directly change the Busha app icon within the Busha app itself. App icons are typically managed by your device's operating system, that is if you're using Android or iOS, or through specific customization app. But here are some common scenarios and how to approach them. Now, there is device built-in customization, which is very limited. Now, the iOS offers limited app icon customization. You can create custom shortcuts with different icons using the Shortcuts app, but this creates a shortcut, not changing the original app icon. Now, for Android, some Android launchers like Nova Launcher, Action Launcher allow you to change app icons. If you use such a launcher, long press the Busha app icon, look for an edit or icon option, select a new icon from your device gallery or an icon pack. Now, there is the third-party icon customization app. This is for Android. Now, this offers icon packs. You can download icon packs from the Google Play Store, and you have to use a compatible launcher to apply the icon packs. Now, some apps specifically allow you to change app icons, but this often creates shortcuts. Now, there is the Busha app settings, but it's very unlikely. But most financial apps do not include app icon customization within their setting. Check the Busha app setting, but it's highly, and I mean highly unlikely that you will find this option. Now, here are some important things to note. Be cautious when downloading third-party apps, especially those requesting extensive permission. Icon customization options vary significantly depending on your device's operating system and launcher. Now, changing the icon with a shortcut will not change the original app icon.